Okay, this is our mobile application MotoTraccar. We need to enter our user ID and password. This is our user ID, and here we need to enter our password. Okay, see, this is our home page. On the home page we can see the list of the vehicles. On the top you can see all vehicle. 1 is running, 15 vehicle is stopped, 4 vehicle is on idle condition, 0 is offline and 0 is expired. Okay, when we click on any running vehicle, we can see the live location of that vehicle. See, this is the live location, and this is the red line shows the distance this vehicle has traveled. Let me go to another vehicle. Okay, this is MO10T. This vehicle MO10T is on idle condition, so we cannot see the red line because this vehicle has not been started yet. The current location of this vehicle is Baranagar, Pargana, West Bengal. And in the bottom you can see travel summary, history, report, log, vehicle information. When we click on the travel summary, we can get the whole figure of the vehicles. How much kilometer this vehicle has been traveled today, yesterday, this week. You can see searching today, searching yesterday. I think this vehicle hasn't been traveled today and yesterday. Let me go to another vehicle so that you can see the data. Okay, I am on the running vehicle Alexa. When I go to the travel summary, we can see the data. See, this vehicle has traveled 32.34 kilometer this date and 85.99 kilometer yesterday, and from past 7 days this vehicle has traveled 202 kilometer. And we have the history. We can see Alexa read it is in the moving condition right now, and the speed of this vehicle is 7 kilometer per hour. In the bottom you can see the history. When I click on yesterday, then this will load the data and show us the video of the vehicle of this vehicle. The green dot, the green icon shows the vehicle. You can see that this green dot is moving. Let me increase the speed. See, you can see the green dot is moving. This vehicle has gone from here, and it is moving. And the below you can see the speed, the time, everything. Okay, let me go to the report. Here you can see the report like daily travel report, travel summary, bulk, task report, vehicle history, lots of report we can see here. Apart from this, we can see the lock unlock button. We can lock the vehicle from our mobile application. And here in the vehicle info, we get all the details of our vehicle like IMEI number, the plate number, the SIM number, the protocol, everything. Okay, in the settings button we have the theme option. When we select the theme tool, we can see the new theme on our list page. We have theme 3 also. This is our theme 3, and we have the theme 4 also. This is the theme 4. Whatever theme you like, you can use. I like the third theme. And on the map page, we can see the list of the vehicles on the map. See, most of the vehicles are on the West Bengal near Kolkata. Few vehicles we can see here, Purnia in Bihar. In the dashboard we can see the dashboard, how many vehicles are running, how many vehicles are offline. In the events page we can see the events. Suppose when the vehicles go outside from the geofence, we will get alert. When the vehicles expires, we will get the alert. When the vehicles when the device disconnected from the vehicles, then we will get the alert. You can set the alert as per your need. We have the option to set the alert. See, we can create the alert of over speed, stop duration, offline duration, move duration. Lots of option to create the alerts here. We have the option to create the geofence also. The announcement, you can create the announcement for your employee or for your driver. And here you can see the announcement. When admin or anyone send the message or announcement, you can see here. You can create the service. We have the option to create the maintenance. We have the option to change the device settings like a device name and icon. If your device is cycle, then put the cycle icon. If your device is scooty, then put the scooty icon. We have the option to create the user, and we have the option to enable notification and the sound of the notification also.